Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have a local administrator account and a verified backup of important files. This reduces risk if something goes wrong. Next, identify the MDM provider, Intune versus third-party, because removal commands differ. Then disable BitLocker and disconnect any corporate VPN so device policies won't reapply. Once done, open Settings, go to Accounts Access Work or School, and select the MDM enrollment profile to begin the removal process. You'll now perform the core removal. First, try Settings Accounts Access Work or School and click Disconnect. This often removes enrollment. If that fails because of Intune, open Company Portal and follow uninstall steps. Make sure you sign out and remove device from console if you control it. For stubborn cases, run PowerShell as admin to remove enrollment registry keys or use MDM CSB commands to unenroll. These low-level steps remove policy associations and explain why enrollment persists until cleared. Once enrollment appears removed, reboot and confirm that no MDM agents or scheduled tasks remain active. This finalizes policy removal. Then verify Settings Access Work or School is empty and inspect Event Viewer for any residual enrollment or policy error messages so you understand what failed. If the device is still blocked by corporate controls, create a fresh local administrator account to inspect settings, or, as a last resort, perform a full factory reset. This clears persistent management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.